Excellence, an intellectual in the true sense of the term, one man that the corrupt in the corridors of power in Delhi fear. Subramanian Swamy, thank you so much for being with us. Friends, we have gathered this evening to achieve two objectives. The first is to set right the history of this country. The history that has been distorted and perverted by vested interests over the last 65 years of our independent existence. And that is going to happen through Mr. Sandeep Balakrishna's scholarly and erudite and seminal book on Tipu Sultan, who all of us have been taught in schools, in colleges, in our textbooks, in newspapers. Our public discourse is molded in such a way that intellectuals of our state, Gnanapith awardees like Girish Karnad and Anantamurthy, they exhort Tipu Sultan to be the greatest secular leader the country ever saw, greatest secular ruler the country ever saw. The truth cannot be much different than what they are saying, anything but that. And today we are here to set right the history by releasing the book, the book on Tipu Sultan, and the book's title is very calculatively called Tipu Sultan, the tyrant of Mysore, and not Tipu Sultan, the tiger of Mysore. This truth has to be told to people, and that is why the first object of this event is to set right the history of this country. The second objective for which all of us have gathered in here in these large numbers, my dear friends, is that over the last 10 years, the country is facing a government that is careless. In the last 10 years, the amount of corruption that's been taking place in the country, and we would take the opportunity to thank Dr. Swamy because, but for his interventions, but for his activism using the judiciary of this country, A. Raja would have still remained the Raja in Delhi and he would not have been behind bars. And if we have one person to thank for that, it is Dr. Subramanian Swamy. Corruption has taken place in every sector. Corruption has taken place. If there is a ministry, then take it for granted that there is corruption in that. That's the situation in the last 10 years. And as a result of this, the economy of this country is stumbling every day. Somebody was very jovially saying the other day, when Manmohan Singh took over as the Prime Minister of this country, the rupee value to a dollar was somewhere around Rahul Gandhi's age. And after 10 years of Manmohan Singh's governance, the rupee's value has dropped down to around Sonia Gandhi's age. And if Manmohan Singh is given another stint at power, he will make sure that the rupee value comes and up to his age. So this has been the last 10 years of governance. In the context of national security, we have seen the repeated incursions by Pakistan, by China, by Myanmar, and even countries as small as Maldives are asserting their position against India, and we are left to wonder if at all there's one leader in this country, if at all there's a Prime Minister in this country. The second objective why we have gathered here is to achieve the objective of setting right the political discourse, setting right the political system in this country in the year 2014 by giving a strong and decisive government to this country in 2014. Somebody was very interestingly saying the other day, Jawaharlal Nehru proved to the people of this country that a rich man can be a Prime Minister. Lal Bahadur Shastri proved to this country that a very simple and poor man can also become a Prime Minister. Indira Gandhi later proved to this country that a woman can also become a Prime Minister. Rajiv Gandhi later proved to this country that a young person could also become a prime minister. And Manmohan Singh has interestingly proved that the country does not need any prime minister to progress. And we all have assembled here to listen to Dr. Subramanian Swamy, who will be telling us in 2014 how and who will be the prime minister of this country. Thank you so much for coming here, and I thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity to address all of you. Thank you so much.
ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಸಮಾರಂಭ. ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಯಂಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಸೂರು. ಈ ಕೃತಿಯ ಕರ್ತೃ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಂದೀಪ ಬಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಈಗ ಆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಸಮಾರಂಭ. ದಿ ಟ್ರಯಂಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಂದು ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ತಜ್ಞ, ರಾಜಕೀಯ ತಜ್ಞ, ದೂರದೃಷ್ಟಿಯುಳ್ಳ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನಿ. ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ